Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be doing today? Broccoli chips. So guys, this here is the broccoli plant. Most persons would just use the head of the broccoli, the florets, and they would discard the leaves. But the leaves of the broccoli plant, just as the leaves of the cauliflower plant, they are also edible. And you can make what is called broccoli chips with the leaves. So I'm going to show you how to make broccoli chips using the leaves of the broccoli plant. Now this will also work for if you have cauliflower. You can do the same thing and make cauliflower leaf chips with the leaves of your cauliflower. Okay, so let's head inside. I will show you how you can make broccoli chips using the leaves. Okay, so now that we have washed our broccoli leaves, what we want to do is dry it completely. We don't want any water on this. We don't want any moisture, because we want this to be a nice crunchy consistency. So we have to dry it really well. So use a paper towel and dry your broccoli leaves so that we can put it in the oven to bake. Okay, so now what we're going to do is cut out the stem from the broccoli, as you can see there, and then we're going to cut our leaves into nice little bite-sized chip sizes. Okay, so just rip it or cut it with a knife into your chip size. We don't really want it to overlap, so you won't be able to use all of your leaves. You might have to do this in batches, because you want to create a single layer on the pan that you're using. Okay, all right, so once you get the layer of your leaves, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of olive oil to it. Not much. We just want to coat the leaves on both sides with a little bit of olive oil. So when you sprinkle your little olive oil, you can then use your hands and sort of rub it onto the both sides of the leaves, so you can get olive oil on the both sides. But like I said, you don't want too much. You don't want to drown in, otherwise you wouldn't get that nice crunchy texture that we want to get for the chips. Okay, now you would not want to season with salt before baking it, because you want to maintain the crunch of the broccoli chips or the broccoli leaves. So, but if you want to add heat at this point, like if you want to add a little cayenne pepper, yes, you can sprinkle some cayenne pepper now if you want a little heat, or even garlic powder or onion powder, as the case may be, but not the salt. Hold the salt until you finish baking. All right, so after you put your onion powder, your garlic powder, your cayenne pepper, whatever, you're going to put it to bake in the oven at a very low temperature at 110 degrees Celsius or 230 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. And that's it there. That's the finished product. So when I had done it, I found that the leaves were still a little bit, some of them were not all nice and crunchy. So what I did was just leave, I didn't put back on the oven, but I left it there so that the residual heat would crisp up the broccoli chips. And that is what happened. Okay, so that's it there, guys. It's pretty simple. Of course, now is the time that you will salt it. Like I said, you will salt it after. Or if you don't want to just put salt and you have some other seasoning blend that you like, well, you can use that as well to season your broccoli chips. But this is a nice healthy snack. If you are growing broccoli or cauliflower in your garden, you can take the opportunity to try making some broccoli chips as a snack. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very simple video. Once again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.